few years from now, people may look at smartphones the same way we look at old flip phones today. Useful for their time, revolutionary even, but eventually replaced by something far more natural. Apple glasses may already be preparing that replacement right now. For years, Apple has been quietly building toward this moment without screaming about it publicly. While everyone was distracted by yearly iPhone updates and camera upgrades, Apple was investing billions into augmented reality, artificial intelligence, spatial computing, and tiny wearable hardware. Most people did not notice the clues, but now the pieces are finally starting to connect. Inside Apple, this project has reportedly become one of the company's biggest priorities. Engineers are working on glasses that look surprisingly normal, actual glasses people would want to wear outside, stylish enough to blend into everyday life. That alone is already a huge challenge because fitting advanced technology into something sitting on your face all day is unbelievably difficult. The target weight is reportedly under 50 grams. That is lighter than many sunglasses people already wear every day. Think about how insane that is for a second. Apple wants to fit cameras, microphones, speakers, wireless systems, sensors, and artificial intelligence features into a pair of glasses that barely feels heavier than regular eyewear. That is not just difficult, that is engineering madness. But Apple has been preparing for this for a very long time. Back in 2016, Tim Cook started talking publicly about augmented reality. But Apple never forgot about it. While other tech companies rushed to release unfinished products, Apple stayed quiet and kept building behind the scenes. Then came ARKit in 2017. Most people thought it was just a cool gimmick for games and filters. In reality, Apple was training developers and users for a future where digital information would blend directly into everyday life. After that, Apple started buying companies connected to smart glasses technology. One of the biggest was Aconia Holographics, a company specializing in waveguide optics. That technology is critical for creating digital visuals inside transparent lenses. Apple also acquired firms working on motion tracking, computer vision, facial recognition, and wearable sensors. One acquisition after another, one puzzle piece after another. Then the Vision Pro arrived. A lot of people misunderstood what Apple was doing with that headset. They looked at the price and laughed. They looked at the size and said nobody would wear it daily. But that headset was never meant to be the final destination. It was the training ground. The Vision Pro allowed Apple to experiment with spatial computing in the real world. It helped the company study how people interact with digital environments using their eyes, hands, and voice. It allowed developers to build apps for an entirely new kind of platform. Every gesture, every movement, every interaction became valuable data, and now all of that knowledge appears to be feeding directly into Apple glasses. Here's where things start getting really interesting. The first version of Apple glasses may not even include a display. That sounds shocking at first because when people hear smart glasses, they imagine holograms floating in front of their eyes. But Apple seems to be taking a much smarter approach. Instead of trying to cram massive display technology into tiny glasses immediately, they may focus first on audio, cameras, and AI. Honestly, this might be the genius move that changes everything. One of the biggest reasons previous smart glasses failed was because companies tried to do too much too early. The products became bulky, awkward, hot, and uncomfortable. Nobody wants to wear a heavy computer on their face for 8 hours. Apple seems to understand that comfort matters more than flashy features in the beginning. So instead of forcing holographic displays into version 1, Apple may create glasses that act more like an intelligent assistant living beside your eyes and ears. Imagine walking through another country and hearing live translations whispered directly into your ear. Imagine glancing at a product in a grocery store and immediately getting nutrition information or price comparisons. And because this is Apple, the experience will likely be deeply connected to the iPhone. That connection is extremely important. The glasses themselves are not expected to handle all the heavy computing. Instead, your iPhone will do most of the difficult work behind the scenes. That means the glasses can stay light, thin, and power efficient while the phone processes AI requests, visual analysis, and advanced features. Apple already used this strategy before with the original Apple Watch. Early versions relied heavily on the iPhone, and it worked beautifully. The same strategy could make Apple glasses practical much faster than people expect. Now let us talk about the cameras, because this part sounds both exciting and slightly terrifying. Reports suggest the glasses could include multiple cameras built directly into the frame. One camera would handle photos and videos, while another focuses on environmental scanning and gesture recognition. In simple terms, the glasses would constantly understand what you are looking at. That means they could recognize objects, landmarks, signs, products, faces, and movements almost instantly. You could walk past a building and hear historical information about it. You could look at a plant and immediately know its species. You could glance at a business card and automatically save contact information to your phone. Apple may eventually allow silent commands. Yes, seriously. Researchers have been exploring systems that can detect subtle facial movements and tiny muscle signals associated with speech. In the future, you may not even need to say commands out loud. You could silently mouth words or make tiny gestures, and the glasses would understand exactly what you want. The company is also reportedly exploring advanced gesture systems tied to the Apple Watch. Tiny electrical signals generated by your muscles could help detect intended movements before your fingers even move fully. A simple finger motion could skip a song, answer a call, or control apps. You would not even need to touch the glasses. Now here's something people are seriously underestimating. Apple already has the perfect launch platform for this product. There are more than 1 billion active iPhones around the world. Apple does not need to convince people to buy an entirely separate computing system from scratch. Millions of users already carry the supporting hardware in their pockets every day. That gives Apple an advantage almost no company on Earth can match. Another major reason this project matters so much is artificial intelligence. Instead of reaching for technology, technology starts understanding your environment naturally in real time. That is where Apple glasses could become genuinely revolutionary. The glasses may eventually act almost like a digital companion that quietly helps throughout the day without interrupting your life. Directions could appear through audio guidance. Notifications could become more subtle. Information could arrive exactly when needed instead of flooding your phone screen constantly. This might finally solve one of modern life's biggest problems. We are exhausted by screens. Apple glasses could represent a shift toward more invisible computing where technology fades into the background instead of demanding constant attention. That idea alone could redefine how humans interact with devices. Of course, Apple still faces enormous challenges. Battery life is one of the biggest nightmares. Tiny glasses leave very little room for large batteries. Every component must use extremely low power. Cameras, microphones, wireless systems, speakers, and AI processing all consume energy. If the glasses die after 2 hours, nobody will care how advanced they are. This problem nearly destroyed multiple smart glasses projects across the industry. Electronics generate heat, and your face is incredibly sensitive to temperature. Nobody wants warm metal pressing against their temples all day. Apple engineers reportedly developed creative heat management systems involving special frame designs that spread warmth away from the skin. And then there is fashion. This part matters far more than tech people like admitting. If the glasses look weird, the product fails. Simple as that. Smartphones succeeded partly because they fit naturally into existing behavior. Glasses are even more personal because they sit directly on your face. People care deeply about how eyewear looks. Apple knows this. That is why reports suggest the company is testing multiple frame styles and colors instead of building one generic design. Some prototypes reportedly resemble classic rectangular frames, while others lean toward circular or oval styles. Apple understands these glasses cannot feel like experimental gadgets. They must feel like premium fashion accessories that happen to contain advanced technology. That combination of technology and style is where Apple historically performs incredibly well. At first, people laughed at them. Some even joked they looked ridiculous. Apple normalized an entirely new product category through design, convenience, and ecosystem integration. The same thing could happen with smart glasses, and if Apple succeeds, the consequences could be enormous. Think about what happens when cameras, microphones, AI assistants, navigation, communication, and internet access move from your pocket onto your face. Even smartphones themselves could slowly become less central over time. That does not mean phones disappear overnight. Not even close. But Apple glasses could become the beginning of a gradual transition where phones move into the background while wearable technology takes over more daily tasks. People already feel uncomfortable around cameras in public spaces. Now imagine glasses capable of understanding environments constantly. Apple will likely position itself as the privacy-focused alternative compared to competitors. The company has spent years building that reputation. Features like on-device processing and secure data handling will probably become huge selling points. Still, public skepticism is guaranteed. Some people will refuse to wear AI-powered glasses no matter what. Others will embrace them immediately. The social reactions alone are going to be fascinating. And judging by Apple's spending, they are going all in. The company has reportedly increased research and development spending massively over recent years, with huge investments tied to AI and spatial computing. We are talking billions upon billions of dollars flowing into these technologies. Companies do not spend that kind of money unless they believe the payoff could reshape the future. So what do you think? Would you actually wear Apple glasses every day? Or do you think people are not ready for this kind of future yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments because this debate is only getting started. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and stick around because the next few years in technology are going to be absolutely wild.